Hello friends, here in OCM subject, last session, our online classes session, we have started chapter number 9, internal trade. Okay, chapter number 9, internal trade. So in that, first of all, what is internal trade? We have shown that what is trade, what is internal trade. Okay, next we have shown in the internal trade there are the two parties, wholesaler and retailer. Okay, first of all producer are there, producer, next wholesaler, next retailer, and then customer are come. Okay, first we have shown the wholesaler trade. Okay, wholesaler trade are link between the producer and the retailer. Okay, so wholesaler trade, characteristics of wholesaler trade. Next we have shown the retailer trade. What is retailer trade? Okay, retailer trade are the link between the wholesaler and the customer. Okay, and there are the many benefit of the retailer in the market. Okay, so next we have shown the characteristics of retailer. Okay, advantages of retailer and limitation of retailer. Next, services to wholesaler to producer, services to wholesaler to retailer, services to wholesaler to customer. We all this completed in our video session. Okay, next we have completed types of retail store. Okay, types of retail trade. Types of retail trade, in that there are the first of all there are the mobile shop. Next it is fixed shop. Okay, in that big shop, small shop, and other method. In mobile shop there are mainly four method we have completed. Okay, in second one it is the fixed method, fixed shop. Okay, in fixed shop, first of all here it is the big shop. We have completed what is big shop and characteristics. Departmental store, in that first department, different department for different products are there. Okay, we have shown. Next we have shown the chain store, characteristics of chain store, and last we have shown there are the mail order chains. Okay, mail order charges. Okay, up to this we have completed. Now after the third step it is the mail order shops. Now fourth step here is the big shop. Here fourth step it is the franchising. Okay, you all have heard about the name franchising. Okay, what is franchising? First of all, so a franchisee is a special right is given, a special right is given to the signing a contract between two parties. Okay, with the company have particular name, particular brand name. Okay, particular brand name, and the raw material, all the products of the company have similar to the all places. Okay, so franchisee. So in the franchisee, the outlook of the shops, okay, outdoor of the shops, advertisement of the shop, colors of the shop, all things are the same for every places through the franchisee. Okay, for example, we all have show about the, for example, Monginis cakes shops are there in our local area also. Okay, in our Borsa, the Pitla, Dharan, all there are the Monginis shops are there. Monginis cake. Okay, so in the Monginis cake there are it is a one kind of franchising. Okay, so in that shop the customer, the layout of the shop are same. Okay, the raw material and the brand name of the company have used the other person. Okay, and all the brand. Okay, all the cakes are the similar for every place to place. Okay, so in the franchisee there are the advertisement costs are the very lower to the retailer. Okay, because of the advertisement cost are doing for the mainly it is done by the company. Okay, so in the franchisee, in the Monginis cake or any other, like the Amul Parlor is also one kind of franchisee. Like we have shown that the pizza, there are many pizza shops are there. Okay, for example, we have shown that there are the US pizza. Okay, so US pizza, the layout of the shop, okay, hoardings of the shop, all things and raw material, all things are the similar for every place of the US pizza shop. Okay, so here it is the fourth point, it is the franchisee. We all have heard about the name franchisee, like the Monginis cake shop, US pizza, okay, Amul Parlor. These all things are the one kind of franchisee. Okay, in franchisee we have taken a franchisee from the company. Okay, by signing a contract, and at the time of taking a franchisee we have paid some of the deposit amount like 50,000, 60,000, 1 lakhs, 2 lakhs. Okay, we have paid some of the amount, and then they have given us a right to sell their brand. Okay, to sell their product to the market. Okay, and all these things are doing all the shop decorations, so color of the shop, okay, like the machinery, okay, fridge, etc. all are the providing by the company. So fourth point here is the franchisee. Okay. Now after franchisee, fifth point it is shopping mall. Okay. Sorry, not shopping mall, it is a supermarket. Okay. Fifth point here it is the supermarket. Okay, supermarket are the fifth point. Okay, supermarket is a one kind of retailer store available on a large scale. Okay, supermarket. Okay, we all have heard about the name supermarket. So it is the sell to the product. It is sell to the product to the customer directly. Okay, and the customer have attract, and many times the small shopkeeper, the very small shopkeeper, the single owner shopkeeper have also attract to the supermarket and purchase a product for them. Okay, in a bulk, and then one by one they can the small shopkeeper can sell out to the customer. Okay, so in the supermarket there is a one kind of retailer shop in the market. Okay, in many areas, many places are the supermarket are there. Okay, so in supermarket there is a retailer store to the customer, and as well as to the small shopkeeper are use the supermarket. So fifth point here it is supermarket. Now after supermarket, sixth point here in fixed shop or big shop it is shopping mall. Okay, shopping mall. We all have heard about the name shopping mall. Okay, shopping mall is developed due to the change in the departmental store. In modern time, it is a departmental store. Departmental store we have shown that here in the departmental store there are the different department have different products, have different department, different goods have different department. Okay, so in the departmental store in the modern time it is converted into the shopping mall. Okay, so in the shopping mall there are the different products available to the shopping mall. Okay, so construction of shopping mall is larger than the supermarket. Construction of shopping mall is larger than the supermarket. Okay, so in the shopping mall there are the one place in which many small shops, many big shops are included. Using the owning, it is owned by the single person or more than one person can own the shops. Okay, so and the different products are available in the shopping mall. Okay, nowadays in one place of shopping mall there are also entertainment products, entertainment goods are available. Okay, restaurants are there, Wi-Fi are there. Okay, so there are the many services and many entertainment places, auditorium are there, theater are there. In a one shopping mall, all are available in a one place in the shopping mall. So in the shopping mall there are the place. It is when the customer came and buy any product for a necessity product or luxurious product or any kind of product he or she can buy from the shopping mall. Okay, so here it is the sixth point in the big shop. Here it is the shopping mall. Okay, so here we have shown that the up to today in the first of all in the types of retail trade. Okay, in the types of retail trade, first we have shown that the mobile shop. Second one it is the fixed shop. Okay, in mobile shop there are mainly four types. In mobile shop there are mainly four types. First one it is the hawkers. Okay, hawkers. Second one it is the temporary trader. Okay, third one it is the fixed day trader. Hawkers, temporary trader. Second, third one it is the fixed day trader, and fourth one it is the street seller. Okay, in the we have shown in the mobile shop. Second one we have shown the fixed shop. Fixed shop in that pattern to two types. First one is the big shop and second one it is the small shop. Okay, first big shop. In big shop there are first it is departmental store, second it is chain store, third one it is the mail store, mail order shop, and using the post in mail order shop we are showing the lastly it is using the post, the placing the order, receiving the delivery, and also you payment, and also order, first of all order payment, make the order of the using the post of the product, receiving the delivery using the post, and also make the payment. So all these things doing the post. Okay, so it is the mail order shop. Fourth one it is the franchising. Fifth one it is supermarket, and sixth one it is the shopping mall. So here in the fixed shop are completed. Okay.